Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to manage your signing preference in BoldSign. This setting gives you a simple choice. You can enable using profile details, or you can disable it. And that matters because you may not want your details to pull automatically every time. Not all documents require the same job title. Not all documents should use the same signature style, and you shouldn't have to keep editing your profile just to match each document. That's why BoldSign provides this option, so you can decide whether profile details should autofill, or whether you want to enter details manually for each document. Here's a quick scenario. Imagine a sales manager signing documents daily. Internal documents may use an internal designation. Customer-facing contracts may require a different title and a more formal signature, so they disable profile details to avoid applying the same profile info to every document. Now let's see how to configure it. Start by logging into your BoldSign account. From the dashboard, open Settings and select My Profile. On the My Profile page, go to the Settings tab. Scroll to the section where you see Signing Preference. You'll find two options. Use profile details, and do not use profile details. Use profile details is selected by default. When this is enabled, BoldSign automatically fills your saved profile details while signing. This is helpful when your details stay the same across many documents. For example, if you're signing the next 50 or 100 documents with the same job title, signature, and initials, in that case, autofill saves time and keeps everything consistent. Now the second option is, do not use profile details. When this is selected, BoldSign will not autofill those details. Instead, each time you sign, you enter your job title, signature, and initials manually. This option is useful when your signing details change from one document to the next, like switching between internal and external documents, so you can choose the right details every time without changing your profile. For our scenario, we want that flexibility. So select Do Not Use Profile Details, then click Save Changes. Now let's see what it looks like when signing. Open the document you need to sign and start the signing process. With Do Not Use Profile Details enabled, you'll be prompted to enter details manually. Enter the job title that matches the specific document. Next, click the Signature field. A signature dialog opens, and you add your signature manually. You'll notice the saved signature from your profile is not auto-filled. Then click the Initials field, just like the signature. You'll enter initials manually as well. Review the document to confirm everything looks correct. Then click Finish to complete the signing process. And that's how to manage your signing preference in BoldSign. Enable profile details when you want fast, consistent autofill across many documents. Disable it when you need different details for different documents. If you found this video useful, click like and subscribe for more BoldSign how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorials.